In this video, we will learn how to convert this part into a sheet metal part by using the convert to sheet metal command, and then how to flatten this part like this. So let's begin. So first select file, click on new, select part, and then click OK. This environment window will be opened. Now change the background to plain white. Select the front plane and click on the sketch option. Drop down this menu and we need to select the center line. Make a vertical center line at this origin. It should cross this origin point. Now select the line command and we need to make a horizontal line from this point to this point. It should cross the center line, and now we have to make another line. So select the line again, and below the origin make a straight line again. Make sure it is at 180 degree. Now press the control button from your keyboard, select this point, press the control button and then select this line, and here make symmetric relation. If it does not appear, then you can select here the symmetric relation. Similarly, select this point, press the control button, select this point, select this vertical center line and make relation as symmetric again. And now specify the length of this line. Let's make it as 120 millimeter, and similarly specify the length of this line as well. Make it as 150 millimeter. Now select the line command again from here, and from this point to this point make a line, and let me show you how to mirror this line to the other face. So select here mirror entities, select this line, and mirror about window, select this vertical line. So if you can mirror, you can make line from here to here. Okay, no issue. Now select the circle and make a circle at this point. Now let's define the diameter. Press escape button, and now select this smart dimensioning tool in order to define the diameter of this circle. So let's define the diameter of this circle as 40 millimeter. Okay, and now select the trim entities command, this one, and we have to trim some curves and lines. So trim this upper curve, this line, select yes, and this line. Now the sketch has converted into a shader one. It means that it is ready for extrusion. Now let's define the vertical distance between these two lines as 35. Okay, check this box here. Now go to features, select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 50 millimeter. Okay, then check this box from here. Now our part is ready to be converted into a sheet metal one, but before that let's define some appearance. So in metal you can define any appearance you like. I am defining this one. And now we have to select this sheet metal and select this convert to sheet metal command. And here in this parameter window we have to select the bottom face of our part. So rotate this part, select the bottom face, this one. Okay, and now we have to define some more parameter. This is the thickness of this base, so let me increase, and here you can see we can increase the thickness of our part. So make it as 1.5 millimeter in our case, then press enter. So thickness has been defined, and you can reverse the direction of this thickness. Let me show you. Check this box, and here you can see now it is downward. So uncheck this is okay. And here you have multiple parameters. This is important one. So in this window we have to select each bottom edge. This one, select this bottom edge, select this one, and this one. And here you can see all the lines have become the purple except the upper one. So select the upper edges as well. Let me select this one, and here you can see the upper edges have become purple shaped, this one as well. So no need to select the circle, we only need to select the line edges. And here we have multiple options, I will explain it later, especially this one. And just check this box now, and here you can see our part has been converted into a sheet metal. We have to do some more work, so drag this line up to this boss extrude. Okay, this is very necessary step. Select this surface, click on sketch, select the line, and from this midpoint to this midpoint, select, make a line here. Simply exit the sketch. Okay, now drag this line again to bottom, and here we need to select the added features. Drag down, and in this very window we have to select this line. So in this window select this line, and now simply check the box, press the enter button, and here you can see the part is fully converted into a sheet metal part. And select this flatten option, and here you can see its flattened form. Thanks for watching.